please count when value is not equal to not reporting. That means
Not
it will
reporting.
include exceptional, mapped, not mapped, reporting, everything. बस ये वाला column include नहीं होगा 74.
बराबर नहीं ये नहीं हाँ.
Okay, and when I press enter, that's my total.
Is also, so how can I get
Percentage, define the percentage. What is percentage?
yeah. Let me go there. My doubt has been cleared. Just a second.
Okay.
Yeah, sir, you can see now, sir, all total we have got in one sheet. After that, my team has mentioned percentage, reporting.
So percentage is nothing but 9. What is the denominator? Numerator is reporting divided by E3 minus D3. E3 minus D3. Okay.
So if this solves, I can give a report to my boss tomorrow.
हाँ ठीक है वो हो जाएगा. So let's go back to Power BI. If not reporting is important na, so it's a simple thing. Let me show you here. Without any writing of formulas, we can do. What we will do, let's create a measure, simple measure, and the measure is nothing but count. Count based on what? Count rows over here. Okay. So earlier I dragged it and then counted it, but now I have written that information in this calculation.
Okay.
Which will also give me the same result. It's just that I have specified it in the formula. Okay. But let's say you are not looking for numbers, you are looking for percentages. So if I have to take this, let's say 34 or whatever is the reporting, where is the reporting? Yeah, here. If I have to take this like 167 divided by 204, it's very simple. Show values as percentage of row total. So it is 81%.
Okay.
Only problem is not reporting is also contributing to this 100%, which is a very small fraction.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, but the method is very simple.
0.18%. Yeah.
Yeah. So if that's okay, it's very easy. If that is not okay, then I will have to calculate the total separately as well as the reporting item separately. So I'm going for, again, Afroz,
Yes,
the problem is you are not going through the course properly. ठीक है?
Not going
वरना
with-
ये सवाल नहीं पूछे जाएंगे.
Sorry, sir, I didn't understand. What are you saying?
I'm saying the problem is you are not going through the course properly. Okay, you have not gone through the course.
Still, around 30% pending for Power BI. Remaining is I have already
कितने
completed.
महीने हो गए? You joined in December, right? Or maybe earlier than that.
Yeah, but there is sir too much work at in office, sir. That's why.
So how do you expect things to be learned? Look
Yeah.
at this now.
Yeah.
So I am saying, what is the reporting number? Reporting is nothing but calculate what? Count. Okay, but how? Only when my value, this value is equal to reporting. It is like sum if in Excel.
Sum if. Okay.
What I have done, please count my count measure, but only when it is reporting in the value column.
Okay.
Out of these 4, you have to count it only when it is reporting. Okay.
Okay.
So that's only for reporting. I'm just duplicating the report to show you the results. So I'm removing counts and values. अभी मेरे पास directly reporting है. So you can see without उन चारों values के I am getting the same numbers.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Now same method I will use once more. Control C. For one more measure, Control V. And I am saying not here. So the name of this measure is total, because to get the percentage we need the total, right? Total का definition क्या था? It was everything but not reporting, right?
Not reporting. Yes.
So I will say, please count when value is not equal to not reporting. That means
Not
it
reporting.
will include exceptional, mapped, not mapped, reporting, everything. बस ये वाला column include नहीं होगा 74.
नहीं ये नहीं हाँ.
Okay, and when I press enter, that's my total. So this is also coming in my report. Total भी आ गया. So you can see here there was no reporting, so it is same 167 and 204, right?
Yes.
What is the percentage? अभी दोनों मेरे पास है. What should be the formula? Tell me. What should be the formula? अरे एक्सेल में होता तो कैसे करते?
Sum if ना आपने बताया.
ये 2 कॉलम है. You need to calculate percentage. What will you do?
This divide by this ना.
This divided by this. Good.
Yeah. Reporting divide
Percentage.
by.
Reporting is nothing but reporting divided by total. Enter. This is what we did for Shankar also, right? Division. So 0.82%. And to make it percentage, click on this percentage formatting. So 167 out of 204, that's 81%. So that's your reporting percentage. Now visualizations and all, you can decide whichever way you want, but whatever you were looking for is all there now.